Today I wanted to go over the OSD BTP 650 powered Bluetooth speakers we are carrying at Sinful Audio. These weather-resistant speakers are a great addition to any haunt looking for great sound, remote operation, and work just as well indoors as outdoors. One thing I will recommend about any speaker system claiming to be of all-weather design or weatherproof is to be sure to store them indoors after your event or during times when they will not be in use. This will prolong the life of your electronics and their overall resistance to the elements. Out of the box, you get an 8-foot power cord for the Bluetooth receiver and stereo power amplifier. You also get 30 feet of speaker wire to connect the second speaker. The amp is rated at 100 watts with a frequency response of 38 Hz to 20 kHz. Bluetooth range is about 50 to 75 feet with limited obstructions. However, your mileage may vary, as I've been able to get up to about 120 feet unobstructed connectivity. Also included is the quick start guide and 2 brackets for hanging the speakers. As we look at the back of the main speaker, we notice 2 terminals for the speaker wire. There is also a flexible plastic covered on-off switch for water resistance to the internal electronics. With the second speaker, we find the terminals for the speaker wire that we will be connecting here shortly to create our stereo setup. So let's get started. First, make sure the AC power cable is not yet plugged into a wall socket. When you're ready, connect the power outlet cable to the AC power transformer. Connect the power cable from the transformer to the main speaker. You'll notice here that the connector is also designed for weather resistance with a screw-on coupler and inset design. Connect the speaker wires to the second speaker via the positive and negative terminals. Each terminal pushes down to allow for the insertion of the speaker wire. It then locks into place to firmly hold the wire. Next, connect the speaker wire to the main speaker to complete the stereo setup. A feature I like is the backplate for each speaker. It allows for the cables and terminals to be protected, as well as allowing the power and speaker wire to exit the speaker. Once the plates are put on, you're ready to power on the speakers and pair your Bluetooth device. Let's go ahead and turn on the BTP 650 speakers. You will now see in your Bluetooth compatible device a new device to pair to, and it should say BT speaker. Let's go ahead and connect to that. And we're ready to go. Overall, I am finding the BTP 650 speakers performing as expected. The apparent drop in bass frequencies is consequentially due to the fact we only have a 6.5-inch woofer driving those lower signals. As they state, the range is above 38 Hz, but for this demonstration, I'm hearing and seeing a dip at around 100 Hz. The mid to high mid-range is solid. The higher frequencies are performing well and as expected. Another thing I measured while using the sound file you just heard was the overall volume that was delivered. At just over 15 feet, I was able to measure 83 to 84 decibels of peak level, which was encouraging. I would recommend these speakers highly for atmosphere and sound effects that did not rely on lots of bass frequencies. Good volume range and localized qualities make this a solid set of speakers considering the Bluetooth weather-resistant design and price point. Thank you for checking out this video today. I hope it was insightful and can help you make some decisions around the BTP 650 speakers. I look forward to providing another video on our great products here in the near future.